Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for brand kit on the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on in the top left corner, then we tap on brand, and then brand kits, and here we can tap on try it try it free for 14 days, and yeah, we can just start the trial by continuing and filling in the necessary things, or we can just tap on learn more and find out what this actually means. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.